Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to edit your friend list on Facebook. So, without wasting time, let's start. So, first of all, open your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook application, tap on profile option right here. After opening your profile, you have to click on your friends or your following list. My account is professional, so it's showing following and my followers, so I will tap on my followers. After tapping on my followers, there are three options: followers, following and friends. Then I will tap on friend. When you tap on your friend button, you will see your all friends right here. Then you will see three dots individually on your every friend. So when you tap on these three button, you will see four option as message, unfollow, or unfriend, or block. So here we go. That's the way that you can edit your friend list on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.